Good afternoon, everybody. Excuse me, just been for to get fuel. Managed to get that job done at the Bunrannoch, but a couple of issues. The handle for the push drive bit on my mower snapped, so I thought, right, so I can't do that because I wasn't going back all the way home for my big mower. I thought, right, well, I'll do the strimming. Everything was going great guns for about half an hour, and then the strimmer decided it wanted to just work on about 40%. So that was that. So never mind. Anyway, so I've just been for fuel, and this is one of my favourite spots, right? You're going to like this. So we'll just walk as far as we can be bothered, as far as I can be bothered. Alright, so I'll flip these around and you can see. Right, come on. Right, well, look at that. That's a wee bloody Brucey bonus, is it not? Look at this here. Indeed. Hedgehog mushrooms. Oh, that's a bounty. Look at that. Get these ones. Funny thing is, there's a wee spa shop next to the petrol station. I thought I'll get myself some chicken for my dinner. Anyway, there wasn't any, so I got those for my dinner. So we'll get them on the way back. Come on, take you down here. You're gonna like this. need to knock down there. I really feel imagine. It's like the land that time forgot. It's great. Soul food. Oh, I thought I'd seen more. I thought that was a hedgehog. That's I don't know what that is. I'm sure somebody's knocked that off that tree. That's a birch polypo. Right, I'll just show you while we're here. See this? Right, you'll see it. They grow like that. Right. They grow like that on the tree. Can you see? Just give you a quick tip while we're here. See if you're in the woods and you find one of these. Sorry. Right, so what you can do, the flesh there, just cut yourself a wee strip like that. Right, wee strip. And start peeling it back. If it'll bloody do it. I'm trying to do this and do it through watching the phone. But can you see where it might? And everything's back to front. Right, see how it's peeling off, lovely. I need to sit you down so I can show you. So basically, it makes a plaster. If you ever cut yourself, I'll try and show you. So that's the wee bit. Where is it? Where are you? Was it? Oh, got it back to bloody front. Sorry, my fault. Wait a minute. Right, can you see it? That's it. Right. So I'll put my hand down. Right. Now you see. Wait. Right, can you see that? That makes a plaster. See how it's sticking to my skin? And it's got an antiseptic and a coagulant thingy in it as well. Stop the bleeding. So, aye, a wee tip. Aye, one of them. Like I say, you'll see them growing on the tree like that. Also, you cut these out, cut it into wee strips and dry it out. Grind it up, make a tea, and that's an antiviral and an anti-inflammatory. Great thing. Fantastic. Medicine. Right, come on, we'll carry on. Down to the river. That was a wee bonus though, eh? Finding those hedgehog mushrooms. Look at this. Is it all raw, eh? Right, it's lovely. Love to be in here at night. All the nocturnal animals and whatnot. This must be the smashing viewpoint. Ah, here we are. Here we are. I hope I don't bloody slip. That's a wee bit a bit creepy because it's awfully bloody high. You see that? Right in there. That's a long way down. Hope I don't bloody slip. I know we'll go to work tomorrow if I'm dead. Right, we'll carry on, see if we can see from a different angle. I actually normally go on the other side, but it's a much longer walk. But this is beautiful, is it no? Lovely forest walk. Hope you're enjoying it. Right, maybe you can get an idea how steep that is. Maybe not. I don't think I'm going to go a great deal further. I will show you from the other side at some point as well. You probably can't make out how very high this is. Lovely giant rock there. So there you going down this hill. It's coming back up in 10 minutes. I think we'll go down here actually. We'll go down here. This will take us. Oh, it's awfully slippy. This will take us to the edge of the water, and hopefully I won't die. Although I don't really care about dying. One of those people that don't have any fear of death. I don't want to tell him yet, but I wouldn't be bothered. Right, come on, we'll go down here. Fantastic fishing spot, by the way. You need a permit though. Right, here we go, look at this. That's me, just sat here on a lovely wee mossy rock next to one of my favourite places. Look, and I even booked the sunset for you. See that? Is that no lovely? I think I've just made the screen the same size as what my eyes are seeing. So the size of that big rock at the top there is about the same size as it looks in my eyes, maybe just a touch bigger. That's probably more like it. Aye, that's probably more realistic. Aye, no far off anyway. Nice to sit here with a wee picnic, eh? I'll zoom out again. I made myself poorly sick eating all this soul food. What do you think of that, guys? Huh? Oh, do you see that fish? Do you see the fish jump then? Well, that was a Brucey bonus again. Wee fish jumped just for you. I need to check that, I'm quite sure I saw it. Right, where am I looking? There you are. No way I look. There or there. Did you like that? It was great. Wee fish jumped. Right, I'm away. I'm gonna go home. Back to my squat. What a magical place. Fantastic place. Oops, flipped you to me again. Ah, so this is the banking I've just climbed up. Right, so we'll go back. Hopefully I won't slip and die. Awfully steep. Oh. It's awfully slippy because of the pine needles. But there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Just a wee walk through the forest. Something you might not have expected. But if you enjoyed it, it's been my pleasure. Alright. So, God bless each and every one of you. Cheery bye.